Today, I decided to try something different, cutting a bottle glass to turn it into a unique lampshade. For my first experiment, I brought out the bottle and measured exactly 5 inches from the base. I marked the measurement with a pen, carefully tracing the line where I wanted the glass to separate. Then I tied a simple thread around the 5-inch mark. I soaked the thread with fuel. With a lighter, I set it on fire, hoping the heat would make the glass crack cleanly. After the flame died out, I dipped the bottle into cold water. But the glass refused to cut. The first method failed. This time, I tried a different method. I used a 2mm wire and wrapped it carefully around the same 5-inch mark. With a plier, I tightened the wire firmly so the heat could focus on a single line. Then I heated the wire, slowly, patiently. For about 5 minutes, I wanted the heat to sink deep into the bottle. After heating, I dipped the bottle into water again. And this time, immediately the cold water touched the hot glass. The bottle cracked perfectly along the line I marked. It worked. The experiment was successful. Finally, I used sandpaper to smoothen the edges, making it safe, clean, and ready to become a beautiful lampshade.